Hey, how's it going, you guys? So welcome to another episode of the Loot Crate unboxing. This is going to be for March. Today is April 11th, so I mean it's a little later than normal. I don't know, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's a little smaller than normal, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so let's see here. This month's Loot Crate theme is actually going to be Cosmic. Okay, so this is for the March 2019 Loot Crate. Cosmic is what it is going to be. So let's go ahead and start with the shirt first. Alrighty, so it's blue and it says Office Space. There you go. What'd you guys think? Actually, I would definitely like it. It kind of reminds me of SpongeBob for some reason. It's not, but I mean, it looks like it. But yeah, there's Office Space. That's the shirt. Go on to the pin. Ooh, this is a nice pin. Look at it. It's literally the moon with a rocket ship on it. You see that? Hopefully you guys can see that right there. That is a beautiful pin. My goodness. I don't know why I like this one so much. This one's, I think it reminds me kind of like a retro kind of thing. That's probably why. But it looks nice. I like it. I believe it's Lost in Space. Right there. Look at that. Lost in Space. Mission log. So it is just a notebook. It's a cool little Lost in Space mission logbook. It's just a notebook, but it's still nice to write, like keep track of something, you know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I'd use this for. Aliens. Oh well, alien. That's always good. It says it's a washcloth. So let's open her up. Oh, that's nice. There you go. Oh, is that upside down? I cannot tell. But yeah, just a washcloth. So definitely use this. I'll just keep this probably in my kitchen. Every time I wash dishes or whatever. Well, when La Buena washes dishes, not me. I just like the little alien design on there. I have to rewatch these alien movies. It's been a long time since I've seen those. But these are nice. This is nice. But it's a Captain Marvel. Tiny little poster. It's cool. I think it's a little too small though. I think I'd prefer it to be a lot bigger. This is literally like a piece of paper. It says nothing. It still looks tight though. I like it. It's because a little artwork there. If you haven't seen Captain Marvel, it's a pretty good movie. Got one more thing left. It's always the big one. It's Captain Marvel again. It says 3D comic standee. It's an adult collectible, not a toy, which is what they all say. It's original Loot Crate. Let's go ahead and get her open. And oh, it's like a comic book cover, but 3D because it's coming out. See? She's coming out of the comic book in her hero stance, blasting off. But yeah, Earth's Mightiest Hero, Captain Marvel, number 5. Yeah, that's about it. It gives you a little paper with the pretty much what you got on here. There is also this weird, like, I think you can make a little spacecraft on here with it. I think you can cut these out, cut this out, and if you cut this one out, you can make a little spacecraft. So maybe I'll do that later. Alright, that's everything on this episode of Loot Crate. Tell me what you think about this stuff. I mean, is there something you liked, something you didn't like? Are you happy you got this month's Loot Crate, or you're like, thank God I missed it? Please like, subscribe, let a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next episode. Alright, have a good one.